Hey everyone, it's Garrow. As a New York City interior designer, you really get accustomed to working on small spaces. But every once in a while, a mansion comes along. And although houses like these are a designer's dream, this one was actually a challenge right from the beginning. It's a classic Tudor, which means a lot of heavy, dark woods, and the family wanted to infuse new life by accentuating light and using a lot of color. And I was so excited to help them reinterpret the whole thing. And it all starts with this magnificent entrance foyer that sets the tone for the whole house. To achieve a more contemporary feel, we added a beautiful pair of mirrored French doors between the entrance vestibule and the foyer, and replaced all the wood flooring throughout with this beautiful light imperador marble. And what a luxury it is to have a foyer large enough for a center table. I found this fabulous specimen table at the Paris flea markets and put it right in the middle of the space. And for color, I added these mid-century organic orange vases. There was originally a wall that separated the spaces. We took down the wall and brought the bay window right into the entrance foyer, where I placed this wonderful little banquette in the corner. And I could stay here all day, but there's so much to see, so come with me. The gallery hallway leading towards the living room was originally an internal space, so we opened up this wall so that we could have these French doors flood some light into it. And we added some architecture to the space, so I designed this barrel-vaulted ceiling with these coffers, and I think it added a lot of character to the room, especially by painting it a deep blue color. So this area then serves as a little bar, so when you're having a cocktail party, you can have the servers here with all the drinks. And if you know me, you know that I love design surprises. And I love red. Just look at this powder room. And now, let me take you into the most fabulous space in this house, the living room. A room like this is a designer's dream. The grand proportion allowed me to do several seating groupings, starting with this beautiful fireside nook where I designed this Belection-style mantle molding to replace the rather ordinary mantle that was here originally. And these two fabulous mid-century modern mirrors that we found in the Paris flea market just add some twinkle to the wall. But in a room full of drama, the most dramatic happens to be this wonderful centerpiece that we put in the middle of the space. The center table serves as a focal point to the space and helps me organize all the peripheral seating groupings. I also love this organic shape because it's almost like a sculptural piece of art right in the middle of the space. My concept to paint the room green was inspired by the beautiful vistas seen through the windows on either side. I designed this space to make you want to entertain. I like to make all my dining rooms dramatic by design, because dining rooms are mainly used in the evenings, and that's when saturated color is at its best. I love painting it high gloss. And I especially love the dim sources of light twinkling in the wall color. It creates such a romantic effect. I also created depth by adding this gold trim to the wall paneling. The dining room was so large that I was able to place this gigantic table in the center of the space, and then create a more intimate dining area in the corner. I don't like any room to be too serious, so to add a little bit of whimsy, I selected this fabulous chevron pattern for the chairs. They dance and sing around the table. When you have a low ceiling, sometimes it's important to address it. So I designed the ceiling grid to bring in some architecture and character. It also helps break up the massive expanse of ceiling in the space. And now that we've taken a look at the public spaces in this house, I'll take you upstairs to the principal bedroom. By pulling the entrance for the principal bedroom towards the stair hall, I was able to create more drama. And drama can be further heightened by using a contrast of color. Just look at the deep blue that I used in the vestibule next to the lighter blue in the bedroom. When working on a large bedroom, it's always a challenge to create intimacy. So for this space, I designed this bed canopy, which creates a little bit of a cozy nook area for the sleeping corner. This is exactly the type of bedroom I designed for myself. It's luxurious, but still intimate and friendly. Even though I enjoy working on apartments in the city, when a house like this comes along, it's a real treat, and I love sharing it with you. Thanks for coming.
Thanks for watching. Like what you see on the show? Well, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We have so many more beautiful homes to share. It's all about love. Share these homes, you know?